My name is Vedant. I usually go by V. I work in the Leeds office, which is Corey House. A little bit about me is I'm doing a second year in our college, which is Leeds City College. I'm doing a T-levels course, which gives me 45 days of placement, which I'm doing here with DWP in Corey House. In college, the journey so far has been quite good. We've been working around with computers because my course is software development, so we've been doing a lot of Python, Django. With placement, it's been extraordinarily good because I'm getting work experience, which is good for me because a person like me who does not want to do uni, they can get like practical experience, and the practical experience will in turn help me in future maybe get an apprenticeship or like a full-time job. So I think it's been really good overall, even with college and the placement. Funnily enough, I took the T-level course only because of the placement, because like I said again, I want to do work right after college, if not an apprenticeship. So the only thing that made me influence go into a T-levels course was the placement, but at the same time, since they're doing software development in college, that's also a reason why I choose T-levels. I would recommend T-levels to someone who is, well, I'd say who is like me, who does not want to do uni, maybe just go on straight to work. I would say the only reason why I'd suggest doing T-levels compared to A-levels or like BTEC is because you get a practical experience, and the practical experience I'd say is really important for someone who just wants to jump into work. And even if you're doing uni after the placement and college, I'd say it gives you enough UCAS points to get into a good uni. The placement has definitely benefited my learning. I've learned so much about softwares that I did not know about. I've learned more about agile delivery managing. Even when I was shadowing different people like software developers, architects, I've been involved in so many things that I never thought I would get involved in. And I think that's really benefited me and my learning overall. And I can tell the difference between when I started college in first year and after I did my placement. I'm much more confident even in college, and I've learned so much that it's helping me in college. By the end of the placement, I'm looking to gain enough skills to get into an apprenticeship or maybe even going straight to work. I would definitely recommend this placement to another T-level student, mainly because it's a big organization and it's really good to have that experience from an organization which is gonna look good on your CV and overall gonna help you build a future in IT, because you gain so many soft skills and even technical skills from this placement. I would say I'd totally recommend it to another T-level student. Once I finish my T-levels, I'm either going to take a gap year or going to go straight to an apprenticeship or maybe work, but that's the goals for now. I would love to stay with DWP after I've completed my course, and if I'm doing an apprenticeship or even going straight to work, I'd love to stay here.